it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at the brand new Listing with Layle Idea Book, Volume 2 for 2023. So over here, we have the original Listing with Layle Idea Book that I released in May of 2022. The original idea book includes all of the lists that we did on my creative listing sessions on YouTube, 2020 through 2022. So that was volume 1, the original. Now I have just released volume 2. This idea book includes all the lists that we created during 2023. So 100 plus lists in this beautiful idea book. The Listing with Layle idea books are super useful, inspiring, kind of one-stop resource designed for you to help tell your story in a simple yet creative way. One of my favorite things to say when it comes to listing is make the list, tell your story, you won't regret it. So this new idea book is meant to give you ideas, inspiration on different lists that you could create as you're doing your personal documenting or storytelling or scrapbooking or what have you. So this is a 56-page idea book. It is perfect bound. So this is a very nice binding there, very nice high quality paper. As we get started, you have table of contents. So table of contents is divided into different type of lists. As we get going, I kind of do a little introduction and then talk a little bit about why I list. I've been memory keeping for the last 27 years and listing probably the last 8 or so. So I kind of talk about how I transitioned a little bit from your traditional memory keeping of, say 12 by 12 scrapbooking into list making and why that has worked really well for me. One of the biggest questions I get when people start talking to me about using a traveler's notebook or wanting to get involved in creative listing is how do I get started? So lots of information here on how do I get started. One of the things that's new for the 2023 idea book is some QR codes. So there are QR codes placed throughout the book in certain areas. The way that a QR code works is you just take your camera on your iPhone or your iPad or whatever device, cell phone that you have, and open up the camera, place that over the QR code, and then there's a link that appears. So that will take you directly to whatever it is the idea book is referencing. You have a section about how to use the idea book. We'll talk about that in a second. And then the 2023 listing topics. And these are sorted chronologically as we did them throughout the year. And you also have the page number next to each topic. So if you were looking, for example, list for favorite quotes, you would go to page 41. All right. So in a nutshell, the way that the idea book is designed to work, as it's divided into chapters, you have a photo of the list. You have the date the list was made. You have the URL or the web link to the video where that list was made. And then you have a time. That time reads 3 hours and 23 minutes. So if you go to this link and you fast forward to 3 hours and 23 minutes, that is where you will see me make that list, kind of step by step as I'm making it live. Now, when you purchased either of the idea books, you automatically receive an email with a link to download the digital version. So you receive the physical hard copy, but you also receive the digital version. The reason why that is important, in the digital version, each of these links are hot links. What that means is in the digital version, you can click on any of those links and it will take you directly to that video, for example, and then you would just fast forward to the 3 hour and 23 minute mark to watch that list being made. So as we continue, I talk a little bit, as we jump into different types of lists, talk a little bit about my process of documenting on a monthly basis, which is called About Last Month. But as we continue through, you will see lots and lots of lists. Like I said, over 100 lists broken out into chapter, in the news, some holiday, travel, a little blurb there about the Document Your Travels e-course. So as we continue through, lots of lists about this is me, meaning lists that you can write about yourself. So there we have it. That is the Listing with Layle idea book. Volume 2 for 2023. I have included links to both idea books in the description box of the video down below. And these are shipping now. If you have any questions about either idea book, go ahead and leave a comment on the video and I will respond, or you can go to laylebymail.com and click on contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.